This is a tutorial for applicants on how to sign up and set up your Magnus Job Fair account. Welcome applicants to the Magnus Job Fair system. To register your new account, click Create New Applicant Membership. Next, fill up the registry form. Tick the box to agree to the terms, then click Register. Once you've logged into your account, the first thing you want to do is accomplish your resume and Nsrp form. Open the Resume and Nsrp form tab. What is the difference between a resume and an Nsrp form? Resume is your personal record that you submit to your employer when you want to apply for a job. How can you use this to apply? 1. You can download the resume, print or email it to your desired employer. And 2. When you click the Apply button at the Featured Company section and other events inside the Magnus Job Fair system, your resume will automatically be forwarded to the company. Note, Magnus will not forward your resume or data to another company without your knowledge. If you do not click Apply, your resume is safe with you. You are in control. Meanwhile, the Nsrp form, or the National Skills Registration Program, is a form required by the Department of Labor and Employment to retrieve data from the applicants who are applying through Mega Job Fair channels, and it is being submitted to the assigned Public Employment Service Office, PESO, manager or staff in your city, municipality, or province. By completing your Nsrp form, you are confirming that you authorize the DOL to include your profile in the Skills Registry system, which is maintained in the PhilJobNet. And it shall be made available to employers who have access to the registry. Be aware that DOL and Magnus are not obliged to seek employment on your behalf. Be sure to accomplish the resume and Nsrp form before you apply. First, fill out your personal information. Input your full name. Next, select your date of birth. State your address and select the applicable options. Tick the box if your present address and permanent address are the same. If not, type in your permanent address. Next, enter your citizenship, your height, weight, landline number, and your primary and secondary mobile number. If you have any disabilities, select the option that is applicable. If none, you may leave it blank. Select if you are employed or unemployed. If you are employed, tick the applicable employment type, and if you are unemployed, tick the reason for unemployment. Then, answer the following questions by ticking yes or no. Next is your job preference. Here you may add as many rows as needed. Fill in your preferred occupation and industry. Then state your preferred work location, as well as your salary expectations. Next is your educational background. Select the applicable options. Then state the year you graduated, the school you graduated from, your course, and any notable rewards. Next is the technical, vocational, and other training. This is optional, and you may skip this if you would like. Click Add Row and tick the box if you are currently in training. Input the type of training, the duration of the training, the institution, the certificates you received, and tick yes or no if you have completed or not completed the training. Next is the eligibility. Click Add Row, then state your career service, board, or bar, your license number, and the expiry date. Then select the applicable option for language proficiency certification, input the date of validity, and lastly, select your spoken dialect if any. Next is the work experience. Create a row, then input the name of the company address, the position you held, inclusive dates, and select your status of appointment. Next, tick the 5 skills you possess. And lastly, tick the technical skills you have acquired without formal training, if any. If this does not apply to you, you may leave it blank. Once completed, click here to view your resume, and click here if you would like to view your Nsrp form. Go to the My Profile tab and click on the image box to insert your image. Be sure that your picture is appropriate for a resume. It should be professional looking and front-facing. Next time you want to access your Magnus Job Fair account, simply insert your email and password, then click Sign In. You are now ready to apply. Got any questions? Let me help you. Feel free to contact us for support.
Basta Job Fair, Magnus Eventos yan!